The TikTok algorithm has just changed, and if you want to get more views and make more money, then you need to know all about it. So in this video we'll cover what changed and what you should do in order to take advantage of those changes and grow fast. And no, it's not about posting on the best times. This video will actually help you. So let's get started. First of all, the changes. So there are many changes happening on TikTok right now, and the one single idea hiding behind those changes is longer videos. And no, I'm not talking about the creativity program. I'm talking about changes like TikTok pushing a lot the vertical videos, and also the algorithm likes longer videos, it promotes them more. All that happens because TikTok wants to compete with YouTube, and TikTok earns more money with longer videos, and so can you. So if you do utilize all that and help TikTok, you'll not only get more views, but you will also get more money. And if you don't have the vertical feature, I would report the problem within the app and ask TikTok to give you that feature because it can make a big difference. So now let's talk about the 3 steps you should follow in order to take advantage of this change. And the last one is game changing from my experience. Step number 1, feed more information to TikTok. TikTok is always getting more sensitive with the content that gets on their platform. So it shadow bans more pages, and a lot of creators face problems like the 200 views. So the best way to tackle this problem is to feed information to TikTok. And how do you do that? You use the TikTok description, where you should use as many keywords as possible to show that you are in this specific niche, and you should also include hashtags. I know many creators get away with it and don't use hashtags at all. I've done that in the past, but TikTok likes the information, like we said. It wants to know what is your page about. Maybe it's a bot page, and if you don't use any hashtags, it might put you in the bot list, in the dark list. And I would suggest using 2 to 3 hashtags that are in your niche. So if you post horror videos, for example, you include scary, creepy, or horror, and you don't have to use any generic hashtags like hashtag viral. That's not necessary, we're not in 2020. And also mention keywords in your video and also in the subtitles or the title of the video. If your video is about investing, include in your script the word investing. Now let's move to step number 2, which is native videos. TikTok seems to love native videos lately. Now what do I mean by that? These are videos using their features. Before that, you could use Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software like that to edit your video completely on a separate platform and then upload it on your TikTok, and it would go viral. Now things have changed. Some pages of course will get away with this, and it's totally normal. You should of course try that if you like editing on Adobe Premiere Pro and it works for you. Just keep doing it. Don't change it because I told you so. So if you record with your phone, use the green screen, for example, which is really popular right now. Always has been, but for some reason TikTok seems to love it even more now. Of course, if you combine it with the previous step, see how the steps are interconnected, and wait till you see the last step. And a huge one is that TikTok likes videos that are edited within the app. Like I said, Adobe Premiere Pro and stuff like that, yeah, cool, but TikTok loves when you edit your videos within the app. And of course CapCut, because TikTok, CapCut, the same thing. When I edit videos for my pages and for the pages of the content creators that I work with, I use Adobe Premiere Pro because I'm a video editor. If you need my services, shoot me an email. So when I upload those videos on TikTok, I always use some kind of feature within TikTok, or I may edit the videos somehow on TikTok, like adding subtitles within TikTok, the sound within TikTok, or even the title within TikTok. And now step number 3, upload way less. This is not 2020 anymore. You cannot upload 20 videos and go viral in each one of them. It was fun at some point and quantity did matter, but now, not that quality now matters that much. You don't have to make like a whole movie in order to upload it. But TikTok doesn't seem to like when people and pages upload too many videos, especially if you do it all at once. Don't do that. I've done that mistake a lot of times. And then I noticed that when you upload 1 video or 2 videos, it seems to be working better. I would go up to 3 videos, but you know, it may vary, so test it by yourself. But for me, I see that sometimes when I post only 1 video, it seems to be blowing up compared to when I post 2 or 3 videos. And if you see that your videos get some weird kind of views, like one video has thousands of views and the other one has a few hundred views, then you should probably post even less, but don't go lower than 1 per day. If you want to learn more about TikTok, I have a huge guide with almost 70 pages, and I cover growth, monetization, and everything in between. This is a shameless promo, but the price will go up pretty soon. I put a lot of work into this, all my knowledge is there, and it took me months to create. I can guarantee you that after a few weeks you will be able to see a huge difference on your TikTok page and on your bank account. It worked for my students, so it will work for you as well. Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, which is a full TikTok growth guide, which will make it easy for you to grow on TikTok. So see you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million. So please,